India steps up science and innovation drive with 1 lakh rupees crore RDI Fund. PM Modi says nation is now a global tech leader, not just a consumer. FPIs pumped 14,610 crore rupees into Indian markets in October. Renewed global confidence and strong economy drive fresh inflows. Anil Ambani's Pali Hill home among 3,084 crore rupees assets seized by ED. Agency says funds were diverted from Yes Bank loans. Namaskar, welcome to Hybiz. I'm Sashira. You are watching Business Talk. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Emerging Science and Technology Innovation Conclave 2025 at Bharat Mandapam in Delhi. During the event, he launched a 1 lakh rupees crore research development and innovation fund to strengthen India's research and R&D ecosystem. PM Modi said that India is no longer just a consumer of technology, but a pioneer in transformation through technology. He highlighted that India now has one of the world's most successful digital public infrastructures. Conclave will run till November 5 and will bring together over 3,000 participants, including Nobel laureates, leading scientists, innovators, industry leaders, and policymakers from India and abroad. According to the Prime Minister's office, discussions will focus on 11 key sectors, including advanced materials and manufacturing, artificial intelligence, bio-manufacturing, blue economy, and digital communication. Other focus areas will be electronics and semiconductor manufacturing, emerging agri-tech, energy, environment and climate, health and medical technology, quantum science and space technology. The conclave will feature panel discussions, presentations and technology showcases by top scientists and innovators aimed at boosting collaboration between researchers, industry and young innovators to strengthen India's science and technology ecosystem. Foreign portfolio investors have invested 14,610 crore rupees in the Indian stock market in October, marking a strong comeback after 3 consecutive months of heavy selling. Reports suggest that India's robust economy and positive global market trends have renewed investor confidence. In the previous 3 months, FPIs had pulled out a total of 76,575 crore rupees, selling shares worth 23,885 crore rupees in September, 34,990 crore rupees in August, and 17,700 crore rupees in July. But sentiment has now clearly shifted, with depository data showing that global investors are once again turning bullish of India. Between October 1st and 17, FPIs also invested 5,332 crore rupees in bonds under the general limit and 214 crore rupees through the voluntary retention route, showing sustained interest in India's debt market as well. Experts say India remains one of the strongest emerging markets globally with stable growth, controlled inflation and steady domestic demand. They add that expectations of lower US interest rates are boosting global liquidity and risk appetite. As a result, investors are channeling funds into high return markets like India. With stock prices down, valuations have become attractive, giving FPIs a good opportunity to buy the dip. ED has attached more than 40 properties linked to Anil Ambani's Reliance Group, including his Pali Hills residence in Mumbai. The total value of these attached assets is estimated at 3,084 crore rupees. The action was taken under a money laundering case related to the alleged loan fund diversion from Yes Bank. The ED said the move was necessary to recover public money that had been misused. The attachment order was issued on October 31st, 2025 under Section 5(1) of a Prevention of Money Laundering Act a law passed in 2002 to prevent black money and cover processes from property attachment to court trials. According to the ED's investigation, large-scale misuse of funds took place in Reliance Home Finance and Reliance Commercial Finance. Between 2017 and 2019, Yes Bank had invested 2,965 crore rupees in RHFL and 2,045 crore rupees in RCFL. By December 2019, these loans had turned into non-performing assets. RHFL still owes 1,353 crore rupees, while RCFL owes 1,984 crore rupees, causing over 2,700 crore rupees in total losses to Yes Bank. The ED claims that these funds were diverted to other Reliance Group companies and that were serious irregularities in the loan approval process, including loans being applied for, approved, and disbursed on the same day, missing field checks, skipped meetings, and blank or undated documents. The ED has called this an example of intentional control failure and continues its investigation under the PMLA. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Hybiz. Namaskar.